Hi girls, how are you? Welcome to my channel Culinary Classics. Today I'll teach you how to make the lemon mint juice with easy way and suitable things in the home. Continue the video to know how we will make it. We will need 4 mint leaves, and tomorrow I will upload video on how to plant the mint and lemon, and it's also preferred to use the green lemon, and 2 small pieces of ginger and sugar. If you want to add it you can, if you don't want you can remove it, and cold water. Now I will add the mint leaves and the lemon with the ginger and the water, cold water, in the mixer, and I will mix them. And while you finish the video and you have any question, you can ask it in the comment and I will answer you in the same day. Now I will add the cold water and I will turn on the mixer and start to mix them. And here I got the juice. I will filter it in the filtered and come again. Here the juice became concentrated. I will add for it sugar. If you want to add sugar you can add. And 1 spoon of rose water. And ice with water, cold water. And if you want to add powdered milk you can add. It will give also some volume for the juice. If you don't want to add, okay, it's your opinion. Now I will mix it, and I wish you are enjoying the video, so don't forget to share it for all your friends to make this lemon mint juice. Now I will fill it in a cup. And here we finished the lemon mint juice. I hope you try it because you can make it in the summer. It's very cold. So don't forget to like, share the video, and write your comment, subscribe to my channel, and bye. See you in the next video.